Hello everyone, welcome to yours unknown trainer, where learning today secures your job tomorrow. In this video, we are going to discuss about hexadecimal to other number system. First, I will explain a brief about today's topic. Without getting any delay, let's start today's video. If you want to convert from hexadecimal to binary, then write 4 bits for each digit using 8421 code. If you want to convert hexadecimal to octal, then we have to follow two steps. That is, first convert hexadecimal to binary and binary to octal. Here we will discuss about hexadecimal to binary and our binary conversions. We have discussed about binary to octal conversion. I hope you watched the video. For binary to octal conversion, take 3 bits to make a digit. And last, if you want to convert hexadecimal to decimal, then multiply the decimal digits with powers of 16. Our first conversion is hexadecimal to binary conversion. Let us take an example 1. Convert 1a base 16 to base 2. That is, with the help of 8421 code, write 4 bits for each digit. For 1, the 8421 code is 0001, and for a, the 8421 code is 1010. Therefore, 1a base 16 is equals to 0001 1010 base 2. Let us take another example 2 for easy understanding purpose. Convert 2b.c base 16 into binary, that is base 2. For 2, 8421 code is 0010. For b, 8421 code is 1011. For c, 8421 code is 1100. Therefore, 2b.c in hexadecimal is equal to 0010 1011.1100 in binary. Now let us move into our second conversion, that is hexadecimal to octal conversion. Let us take example 1, that is convert 2f base 16 into octal, that is base 8. First convert hexadecimal to binary and then binary to octal conversion. In binary, the value of 2 is, according to 8421 code, 0010, and for f it is 1111. Therefore, our binary number is 00101111. So to convert binary to octal, we have to follow binary to octal conversion rule. That is, take 3 bits to make a digit. Therefore, first 3 bits is this, and next 3 bits is this, and these are zeros, so no use. It is 7, and 101 is 5. We have written this based on 421 code. Therefore, 2f base 16 in hexadecimal is equal to 57 in octal. Let us take example 2, 3b.e. Convert this number into octal number. For 3, 8421 code is 0011. For b, 8421 code is 1011. And for e, 8421 code is 1110. Our binary number is 0011 1011 11110. There is a point in between b and e. As we discussed earlier, if this decimal point appears in between digits, then right side we have to move like this, and left side we have to move like this. That is, first take a point, decimal point like this, and first 3 digits of right side are 111, and next it is 0, so no use. And left side, first 3 digits are 011, and next 3 digits are 111, and next we have 2 zeros, so no use. Therefore, according to 421 code, 311 means 7, 011 means 3, again 311 means 7. Therefore, 3b point e base 16 is equal to 73.7 in octal.
Our last conversion is hexadecimal to decimal.
Let us take example 1, that is convert 2c base 16 into decimal number. We know that we need to multiply each digit with power of 16. Therefore, 2 into 16 power 1 plus C is nothing but 12. So 12 into 16 power 0. 16 power 1 nothing but 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. And 16 power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. Therefore, our number is 32 plus 12 is 44. Therefore, 2C base 16 is equals to 44 in decimal. Let us take another example 2 for better understanding. That is 1A dot C. Convert this hexadecimal into decimal number. Take a decimal point like this, and right side of the value is multiplied with negative sign of powers, and left side of the values are multiplied with positive sign of powers. So C is nothing but 12. 12 into 16 power minus 1, and left side A is nothing but 10. So 10 into 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power 1. The value of this is 1 into 16 power 1 is nothing but 16, and 10 into 16 power 0 is nothing but 10, plus this point we have to keep here. 12 into 16 power minus 1 is nothing but 0.75. Therefore, the total count value is 26.75. Therefore, 1A dot C base 16 is equal to 26.75 base 10. That's all for today's video. If you learned anything new, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.